This is how to use Overleaf for math. Go to Overleaf, and from your project dashboard, you will create a new project. Choose blank project. Name your project. Let's say math, and click create. Then we will insert a math code. Okay. Under introduction, we will create a new line. We'll go to insert. We'll choose math and choose display math. Then we'll just hit enter. Okay, for instance, if you want to add an equation like the famous E equals mc squared, we will type E, then space equals, then we will type mc. And if you want to use the square, then use caret. That will be the number 6 of your Windows keyboard, and just use 2. So now you have E equals mc squared. Add a fraction. Okay, let's say we'll add another math. Go to insert math and display math. Then if you want to add a fraction, okay, for instance 1/2, you will add backslash, then type frac and choose this one, and we will put 1 inside the first parenthesis and 2 on the second, and you get 1/2. And we will recompile, and you see here equals mc squared and 1/2. So this is how to use Overleaf for math.